The easiest way to put the gimbal cover on is to rotate the drone so it's facing upside down. Next, I make sure the propellers are stowed tidy so they don't get damaged while I'm putting the cover on. So I'm just going to spin them around and put them into place. That way they won't get broken. What you're looking for is these two lugs, and then on the gimbal cover there's two lugs. Using your fingertips, gently move the gimbal so it's facing the forwards position like this. And then we're going to get the cover, rotate it so it's the correct way around, so our two lugs are at the top. And then we're going to gently slide it into place, put your finger against the gimbal to hold it, and then just wriggle it around a little bit and it will snap straight into place. Again, from the other angle, the gimbal's fairly straight, and I just literally slide it on gently and it snaps into place. And one more time from the side. So I just put my finger there to keep the gimbal steady, slide it on, and it should snap on really easily. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment below, hit the like button and smash that subscribe. Well, if you didn't like it, smash that dislike twice. Have an awesome day and I'll see you on the next one.